Hello, I don't even know if I'll upload this, but my name's Brandon. I have a 2023 Jeep Gladiator Willys, and so far I've towed a 2012 Honda Fit with it, and right now picking up another Uhaul trailer to pick up a 1999 Ford Ranger. So I'm gonna show you guys how it tows and what the squat's like on it. Alright, we just got hooked up with the Uhaul trailer. Looks good. Alright, let's go get us a Ford Ranger. Alright, so the Uhaul trailer, according to my research, weighs about 16, I believe it's about 1,600 pounds. We'll say 1,600 to 2,000. You really don't feel that. Obviously I can tell there's a weight on the back of the truck, but it's more of, I think it comes from more of the play in the hitch, inside of the hitch receiver. But as far as actually like moving this small trailer, nothing. Easy, no challenge, obviously. So I'll update you once we got the trailer loaded. All right, the Ranger is on. Mind you, I have a leveling kit in the front. The rear's definitely squatted a little bit, but overall looks good. Well, it was close to level as I could get. I mean, you really barely feel the truck back there. Pretty cool. So this Jeep has 373s in it, and pulling, definitely not an issue. The engine is revving out a little bit, but it's not anything crazy. Really, the biggest thing that you might notice is your braking, and then this little Cali lean that I got going on right now. I don't know about you guys. It was a dream of mine to have a vehicle I could tow a car with. And I have had vehicles before I could tow a car with, but I never did it. I didn't realize how cheap a U-Haul car trailer was. And now that I know I can get one for $68 for 24 hours, it's really kind of opened my eyes to towing. And I feel like a little boy. It's just one of the best feelings in the world to me. Besides motorcycle and off-roading. Nothing tops off-roading to me. Motorcycles second, and apparently towing trucks with your truck is in third for me. One thing I really can't understand is why Jeep didn't put a tow haul mode on the Gladiator. Even if you have a Gladiator with a max tow package, you don't get a tow haul mode. The only thing I'll say in their defense is it definitely seems like the transmission maps the shift points when it has additional weight. It's just really annoying to me that I can't manually choose to put my vehicle in tow haul mode. And you can manually shift the gears, which is great, but that makes me nervous because I worked at a Jeep dealership in the service department, and more than one time I had a warranty, or heard of a warranty being voided, like a warranty claim being voided, because the vehicle was in manual mode for the transmission when the issue occurred. So I really don't like using the manual mode, just because I have that kind of luck where I would get screwed out of a free transmission replacement under warranty. So I just play it safe and leave it in automatic. If I need to, I'll put it in manual, or if I'm off-roading, I'll put it in manual. But try and leave it in automatic. Also, I forgot to mention how much I got this truck for. I paid $190 for this truck, $68 for the tow. So I'm at whatever that is, $258 right now. And as we're going about 60, when I'm hitting bumps, I am kind of feeling a little bit of, a little bit of sway. The U-Haul has made it home. could have been a little straighter, but thank you, Uhaul. Thank you so much for watching. Stop being scared to use your Jeep. Get out there, get it dirty, tow with it, clean it, whatever. Have a good day.
Up. It's fine. Stay right, yeah. Maybe even more driver. You're good. Keep going. Keep going, driver. Fuck, right there. Yeah, this far to drop. You're gonna slide on it. You drop. You're all the way down. Keep waiting. Stick it out because that needs to come off. Passenger. Slow. Slow. Maybe even back up. But fuck, it's a hell of an angle, man. It's just your slider, but I mean, it's on it. But your tire's about to grab. It's about to go up in the back. Right there. It's off. It's off. Do whatever you need to do from this point. It's all you. You got all the way. You can go all the way right if you want. You can back up and turn driver if you want. It's down almost all the way on this side. 2 more inches. All the way down. You're good. You're good so far. Slow, slow, slow. Hold on. Can you back up? You're down. You're down now. You're good though. Light scratching underneath the bumper. That's it. Very light scratch.